Today I'm doing a quick oil change on my 2016 1200Gs. The oil I'm going to use is a Castrol Power 1 5W40 for T. And a Canon KN160 oil filter. Alright, from under the bike, remove the skid plate. Open the fill plug, use this tool that came with the bike. Just take out the screwdriver part of it and use that part. I'm just gonna keep it like this. Next I'm gonna remove the oil filter. I have this tool from AutoZone. Before you remove your oil filter, you need to make like a small funnel so you don't get any oil on exhaust. You can see my funnel in action. Okay, before I put back the new filter, I'm gonna clean around it with some carburator cleaner. Nice and shiny. So before you put back the new filter, it's good to put some oil in it. This is KN160, a little oil in it. Alright, so this oil filter have a 17mm nut in here. Usually you would tighten it by hand, but since it has the nut, I'm just gonna torque it to 11 Newton meter. Alright, my oil finished draining, and I have a new brass washer on the drain plug.